I have 2/3 cup of oil, any kind of oil you want to use. I'm gonna pour that in there, and let's put it on like 3 or 4. It's coming to a simmer, so I'm gonna start to add the flour. I have about 3/4 cup of flour. I'm going to slowly add a little bit at a time. Okay, so this is how it's looking after about 15 minutes. It's looking like a peanut butter color, but we want to get it darker. It's going to end up looking like chocolate when we finish. So I'm going to come back in about 10 more minutes. Okay, this is about 25 minutes. I'm going to let it go about 5 more minutes, and then I will be back. Okay, so this is how it's looking. It's been about 27 minutes. I want to go ahead and start adding some of my onions. And it's going to get darker. I have some onions and celery in there, and I'm going to add a few bell peppers. I'm going to add more, but let's just start with this. And this is still on low heat. All right, that is pretty dark. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of garlic, crushed garlic. Now we're going to add the meat and the juices back. That's the sausage and the chicken. Let's get all of that flavor. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of your favorite Creole seasoning. There was another one that I wanted to try, but this is the only one that I could find. So this is Tony's Cherries. Sorry if I am pronouncing that wrong, but this is the brand. I'm using 1 tablespoon, so let's put that in there. Okay, now I have about 5 cups of water. 5 cups of chicken broth. So I'm going to add that in. Okay, I have a few bay leaves that I'm going to add to that. Let's submerge it in there. Okay, we got some more goodies we're going to add, but let's cover that up for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll be back. Last ingredient. So this is the finished product. I hope that you guys found some tips that is helpful that you can use. I hope that you guys recreate this meal and put it under the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jasmarie signing out.